Hi, it's James again with JJ Media. I want to bring you a way to do your websites. Number one, you have to be a realtor. Number two, you have to be willing to just accept some templates, but it's an easy way to do a realtor website, whether you are a realtor wanting to bring it in-house or do a say you sell websites. I do websites, but if you want to would like to offer local realtors, got a simple way for you to quickly create a website, very professional, responsive, meaning it works on mobile, and very simple to do. So let's go to it, and we will just show you real quick on what needs to be done, how it works. So I'm asking you to subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends, connect below with our social media. So let's go to the computer. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Make sure you subscribe, and if you are a church, ministry, or nonprofit organization, I would like to talk to you because I can help you maximize your marketing efforts. We thank you again for watching this video, and we hope these tips, these helps, do help your organization or small business. Be sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and we really want to connect with you. Hit the subscribe button, share this with your friends on social media, and then below in the description, connect with us on our social media channels. We have affiliate links that you can sign up with and purchase products. We also have email lists that you can sign up with, but most of all, subscribe, connect with us on our YouTube channel. So if you have any desires that you would like to see, any tech, any product reviews that you would like, please comment below. Every comment that is below, we give a free download or free video intro or something. Everyone that comments gets something free. So comment below. Thank you for watching this video, and we will get back video. All right, we are here inside the web application, and if you see here are some of the templates. You can actually just take a look. In fact, let me just find one here. Let's go ahead and click all the templates here. Let's just click one of these here. Just take a look at what all they offer, and it's very impressive, actually, very nice. And you can go in and edit all of these and the information. So let's just start with this theme. Let's just go ahead and log in. Okay, we are logged in on the back side, and I just wanted to kind of show you this real quick, how you can actually go, and I picked the builder website, and you can go in, edit everything. And in fact, didn't realize that, luxury and quality. Okay, and you can change, adapt everything. It's very, very simple. So if you are a realtor and needing a website, or you do websites and you your clients are realtors that you work with, this would be an easy way. So click the link below. Click the link below, and you can become an affiliate. This is an affiliate. If you are one of doing clients of realtors, you can actually have them set up their own website and then have them manage it, and then you get a kickback from them using the account. So just figured I'd toss that out real quick. Click the link below to sign up. I'll have it in the description to sign up for these websites. You can sign up free if you want to be an affiliate, and you can do your own website, or if you are a web developer and doing realtors. So I know this is kind of quick and not a lot of information. I didn't go in depth, but hope you enjoy it. And so we will see you in the next video. So make sure that you connect with us on the social media below, and subscribe to us on this channel, and share this with your friends. Thanks a lot. We will see you later.